Tired of feeling stuck? Discover the secrets to achieving what you truly desire by watching all the way through to the end. Self-hypnosis and perceptioneering help you shift your habits from avoiding negatives to actively pursuing positive results. This proactive approach unlocks a more authentic and fulfilling life. Imagine setting and achieving goals aligned with your true self. Self-hypnosis training programs foster your journey of self-discovery and empower you to live with intention and purpose. Embrace the transformative power of pursuing desired outcomes by taking perceptioneering training. Authenticity is not a destination, but a continuous process. It involves ongoing self-improvement and adjustment. Embrace the journey of self-discovery with an open heart and mind. Continuously appreciate and refine your values, beliefs, and actions. Align your choices with your authentic self. Embrace the ongoing improvement and discovery of your authentic self. Authentic living fosters deeper, more meaningful connections. When you live authentically, you attract like-minded individuals. Build relationships based on trust, respect, and shared values. Experience the joy of genuine, fulfilling relationships. These connections enrich your life and support your growth. Nurture relationships that honor your authentic self. Living authentically strengthens your sense of self. It empowers you to embrace your unique qualities. Develop a deep understanding of your talents, strengths, skills, and beliefs. This self-awareness builds confidence and resilience and helps you succeed. Learn to stand firm in the courage of your convictions and live with integrity. Embrace the power of your authentic self by learning self-hypnosis and perceptioneering. Start living authentically today by scheduling your no-cost hypnosis screening. You can learn to focus on your desired outcomes and create a fulfilling life. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and personal growth made possible with perceptioneering training. Build meaningful connections that support your authentic self. You can live with intention, purpose, and authenticity. Embrace the power of your authentic self by scheduling your no-cost hypnosis screening with Law Cross Hypnosis. Follow us for more success tips.